그리움 너를 그리다 지쳐 잠든 이 밤 깊게 잠긴 그 목소리 잊혀지지 않는 너의 흔적들 잠시라도 멈출 수 있다면 그대로 널 안아줄 텐데 하루 종일 너를 그리워하다 우리의 시간을 다시 되돌리고 싶어 어떤 날이 온대도 내가 널 기억해 가슴속 깊이 스며든 너의 이름을 손 닿을 수 없이 멀어져 그 끝에 내게로 와줘 그대로 한숨 쉬다 애써 웃어보다 바보 위로 눈 듯 다가가 하루 종일 너를 그리워하다 우리의 시간을 다시 되돌리고 싶어 어떤 날이 온대도 내가 널 기억해 가슴속 깊이 스며든 너의 이름을 그땐 다시 내게 나타나줘요 네 손도 잡을 테니까 운명처럼 다시 찾아온다면 아무 일 없듯이 나를 안아주면 돼요 어떤 날이 온대도 내가 널
Ayan, wait lang guys ha.
기억해 가슴속 깊이
Nag-chat kasi yung nanay ko, sabi niya, patulugin mo si Rock. Ayan, hindi na ba ako lag sa inyo guys? Patulugin ko daw si Rock kasi may pasok bukas. So later. Mapapatulog ka ba habang habang kumakanta?
너와 함께 하고 싶은 일들을 상상하는 게 요즘 내 일상이 되고 너의 즐거워하는 모습을 보고 있으면
Ayan. Ayan, mga hanggang 10:40. So, mayroon pa tayong 1 hour, guys, bago natin patulogin si Rock.
너의 행동에
Ayan. Okay, kumanta na tayo, guys.
뒤척이다가
ba tayong ilaw?
지새운 밤이 많아진
Hello to all my 19,000 viewers.
누가 봐도 사랑이
Hello.
종일 함께면 질릴 텐데 나 돌아서도
Ayan. Ayan. Kaya nyo pa magpuyat, guys?
아무래도 사랑인가 봐.
Hello. Okay, puro Korean na naman itong mga nasa song ko. Wait, maghanap tayo ng mga pang hotel lounge songs. Diba? Yan. Chill muna tayo, guys. Hey! Practice to, guys. Over time, I've been building my castle of love. Pang check ng mic. Just for
hard for you now to say that I've got to throw my castle away. All the dreams I have picked out of perfect come true. Was it real? I've been free. Maganda ba yung sound ng mic quality? Hello? The sun has come from too far away for you to say come back some other day. And though you don't believe that they do, yan, they do come true, yan. For did my dreams come true when I look at you? And maybe too few would believe, yan, you took my be overjoyed over love, over me.
Anong Maris Curry?
All the hearts I have painfully turned every stone. Oh,
Issue ka.
just to find I have found what I've searched to discard. All the
Putol.
and I've gone much too far for me now to find the love that I've sought can never be mine. Although you don't believe that they do come true. For did my dreams come true when I look at you? Maybe two of you would believe you took my be overjoyed over love, over me.
Ayan, okay na ba yung ating sound quality? Ayan. Okay, kanta tayo ng Pampasko, guys. Okay. Ito, maganda to.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth.
Sana all Pasko na. Yung Christmas tree namin wala pa.
Long lay the world and sin and never pining till he appeared and the soul fell its worth. Earth in love, oh, the weary world rejoices. For yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angels roar.
Uy, pamasko naman, guys.
On night.
Mangaraling kaya ako sa mga bahay nyo.
Oh,
Thank you, Alvin Mendoza.
when Christ was born.
Ay, wala sa ton.
All night divine.
Pag ikaw 1K agad, totoo ba? O sige, dahil dyan mag-send ka ng fireworks kung 1K. Ganito na lang, mag-carpenters tayo. Hello? Lag pare. Uy, meron tayong 155 viewers. Kantahan ko kayo ng Carpenters. Magstay lang kayo dyan, guys. Para may pang lullaby.
Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. Uy, ang dami nating viewers! 200! Always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. And my smallest of dreams won't come true. I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you.
Ayan. Thank you sa lahat ng mga napapadaan. Wala pa pala. Thank you sa lahat ng nag-send po. Jappy, hello.
So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly place, a lonely place. It's nice to know that you'll be there if I need you, and you always smile. It's so worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness. So
Thank you, Rishi.
but I won't last a day without you. Touch me and I end up singing. Troubles seem to up and disappear. You touch me with the love you're bringing. I can really lose when you're near. When you're near. If all my friends have forgotten how their promises, they're not unkind, just hard to find. One look at you and I know that I can learn to live without the rain.
Guys, kunin niyo naman akong wedding singer nyo.
When there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world.
Parang di ako makakanta maayos dahil ba sa mangga to? Basta ikaw bride ko. Hoy!
No getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you.
Ayan. May gusto akong kantahin. Lady Gaga. Oh, thank you, Red! Thank you sa pinch! Sige, kunin kita pero hanapin ko muna kung kanino ako magpapakasal. Bakit hinahanap mo pa ako nandito na sa harap mo? Char! Ay, kukunin. Pwede po bang mag-apply as as kapalit na bride para sa'yo? Para kami na po ni Mingyu, Char. Kanta tayo na I'll Never Love Again cause we love Lady Gaga. Sino mo na, saka too good to say goodbye kasi kinanta ni Rose mamaya. Eto muna gusto ko. Natutuwa ako manta kahit masakit na lamunan ko.
Wish I could have said goodbye. I would have said what I wanted to. Maybe even cried for you. If I knew it will be the last time, I would have broke my heart in two. part of you.
Don't wanna feel another touch. Don't wanna start another fire. Don't wanna know another kiss. Don't wanna know you falling off my lips. Don't wanna give my heart away to another stranger. I'll let another day begin, or even let the sun ride in. No, I'll never love again. Maganda to guys, kung ang Star is Born. Lady Gaga and Brad Pitt ata. Hindi ako sure.
When we first met, I never thought that I would fall.
Parang mali ako doon.
I never thought that I'd find myself lying in your arms. And I wanna pretend that it's not true. Oh baby, now you're gone. 'Cause my world keeps turning and turning, and I'm moving on. Don't wanna feel another touch. Don't wanna start another fire.
Parang ang lakas.
Don't wanna know another kiss. Thank you, Raid. I love you, Raid.
Oh, may pambili na tayo ng Tom Wick. Char.
To another stranger, I'll let another day begin.
Hindi ko na kaya. Yan ang ugali natin. Hindi tayo magtatapos ng kanta pag hindi na natin feel. Kantayin natin yung Too Good to Say Goodbye kasi kinanta ni Rose. Wala bang female? Wala bang female? Favorite ko to eh. Try natin. Gio ng Emanal. Hoy! Parang sira naman to guys. Thank you. Hoy. Try natin.
I make mistakes.
Tama ba?
I could've treated you better.
Ayan, alam ko na.
I'll let you get away.
Parang taas.
Where goes my happily ever after? Tell me why. Why can't we try and start again? This can't be how our story ends. You're more than my boy. You're my best friend. Tell me you remember when I was your man and you were my girl.
Lakas sa music.
Ain't nobody gonna love me like the way you do. And you never gonna find a love like mine. Tell me, what can I do to make it up to you? 'Cause one way got too good to say goodbye.
Parang masyadong mataas to. Parang hindi ito yung version ni Rose. Ulitin natin. Parang original yung kanya, guys. Masyadong mataas. Yung sakto lang. Ito ata yung key eh. Ito ba yung key nung female?
You better,
Ito nga, guys.
I'll let you get away.
Ito yung aking key. Key ko to.
There goes my happily ever after. Tell me why can't we try and start again? This can be how our story ends. You're more than my boy, you're my best friend. Tell me you remember.
Thank lang.
Yeah, I'm still in love with you, darling.
Ganun lang, wag yung mataas.
I know you feel the same.
Favorite ko to. Alam niyo ba, gini-gatekeep ko to dati. Parang 2019, alam ko na tong song na to. Gini-gatekeep ko, hindi ko sinishare. Kaso sumikat. Ang damot.
Too late. Tell me why can't we try and start again? This can be how our story ends. You're more than my girl, you're my best friend. Tell me you'll remember when I was your man and you were my girl. Thank you, Red.
Let's go.
Ain't nobody gonna love me like the way you do. And you're never gonna find a love like mine. Tell me, what can I do to make it up to you? Goodbye.
Ang ganda nitong song na to, guys. Kasi parang ayaw makipag-break ni Bruno dito. Wala na, sumikat na siya. Ayan, maganda talaga to, guys. I love you. Okay. Pwede ano ba? Yung totoong karaoke. Hala, ang hirap na itong... Sige, try natin.
Global Karaoke
Taas kasi
TV.
nito eh. Hindi ko kakat na yun yung mataas. Okay. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nagsisa ng gifts. Naging balad, no? Pagtapos.
I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that are always time, words only you will hear. If only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my room with you, but in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do.
Taas.
And I whisper these words as you lie here by my side. I love you. You say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time.
Ang taas.
So today I finally find the courage deep inside just to walk right up to your door. But my body can't move when I finally get to, just like 1,000 times before. And without a word, he handed me this letter. Wait, I hope this finds a way to your heart. He said, I love you. He said, you love
Gawa natin ng, ang tawag doon? Ng twist yung Celine Dion. I-head tone natin. Gawin natin trend. Charot. Practicein nga natin.
Nag-practice sa harap niya, di ba?
Baby, I need a little care. Baby, you. Oh, you did so much more. Oh, dear. If you do, just reach out and I'll pretend. They say you love me too. Hindi ko alam kung bagay. Hindi ko alam kung bagay. Pero try natin aralin. Para may kakaiba tayo. Forever. Next time. Promise you that we will always be together. Ayoko na. Next time na yun, guys. I-video natin. Magpapauso tayo. Pag pinauso nila, may papauso tayo. Pili. Okay. Next naman. Next song, guys. Thank you, Red! Thank you sa aking ninang. Thank you, Red. Thank you. Ayan. May isa akong favorite na song eh. Ay, gusto ko si Celine Dion. Ito, favorite ko to sa kanya. Alam ko to, alam nyo to. Ipa 1M nyo na, guys.
For all those times you stood for me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you. I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me life as you believe. I'm everything I am because you love me.
Diba? Alam nyo to? Sikat to dati.
You gave me wings and made me fly. You touched my hand, I could touch the sky. I lost my faith, you gave it back to me. You said no star was out of reach. You stood by me and I stood up. I had your love, I had it all. I'm grateful for each day you gave me. Baby, I don't know that much, but I know this much is true. I was blessed because I was loved by you. You were my strength.
Charis yarn. Pinapanood ko kasi dati yung yung Celine Dion saka si Charis. Break naman muna sa review baka. Naku, oo, kailangan mo ng pahinga, guys. So habang nagpapahinga ka, kakantahan kita.
Cause you believe.
Ano pang mga request nyo, guys? Baka may request kayo.
You were always there for me. The tender wind carried me.
Adele?
Shining your love into my life. You've been like an inspiration. Through the lies you are true.
ka nag-voice shifting. Paano ba? Bigla! Tam yan. Okay, kantayin natin yan. Ang dami niyo. Oh, marami talaga kaming tao dito sa bahay. Thank you, Ardo. Sana masaya kang napapakinggan ako. Okay, kantayin natin yung request ni All I Ask. Thank you, JR. Ay, when we were young daw. Oh, espresso daw. Wait lang. Ano ba talaga? When we were young or All I Ask? Uy, espresso daw sabi ni Red. Dahil number 1 natin si Red. Si Angelo to birthday ko na. Hi, Angelo! Happy birthday! Akala ko Akala ko may utang ako sa yung kailangan kong bayaran. Si Angelo to. Dalon. Okay, pagbigyan mo na natin si Red. Dahil siya ang ating number 1 gifter ngayon. Okay? Tapos ina-next natin yung All I Ask mo. Okay, let's go! Okay.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. They can sleep, baby. I know that's the me special.
Lagyan natin ng backing vocals. Parang pangit pagkakulang eh. Okay, ang daming bisita.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. So you can see, baby, I know that's the me espresso. Put it up down and try it all. Switch it up like Nintendo. So you can see, baby, I know that's the me espresso. I can't relate to desperation. Might give a fucks. We're on vacation, and I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling. My God, this way. Sorry, I know I got him to buy extra. What can I not be true for?
Wait lang, nalito ako. Kasi akala ko nanonood si Maris Racal. Hindi ko tuloy binasa yung lyrics. May nagpakita kasi.
To buy extra for? What can a dream come true for? What can I not be true for? No, I'm mountain dew. I'm on coffee proof. I'm touching up brand new. Oh, hey. Think about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. So you can sleep, baby. I know that's the me espresso. Put it up down and try it all. Switch it up like Nintendo. So you can sleep, baby. I know that's the me espresso. Holy shit. Is it as sweet? I guess so. I'm working late cause I'm a singer. It looks so cute. Wrap around my finger. My twisted humor. Make him laugh so often. My honeybee. Come get this falling. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. What can a dream come true for you? Something and not perfume for you. Oh, I'm out to do for you. Morning coffee proof for you. Touching that brand new for you.
Everybody, let's go! VMA!
Think about me every night, oh, isn't this sweet? I guess so. You can see, baby, I know that's not me espresso. Put it up down, try it all. Shit up like Nintendo. So you can see, baby, I know that's not me espresso. Me every night, oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. So you can see, baby, I know that's not me espresso.
Ayan na po ang request nyo. Red. Hope you like it. Ayan. Birds of a feather. Okay, unahin muna natin when we were young. Dahil request ni, sino yun? Akali? Si Akali ba yun? Diba? Okay, try natin. Okay, let's go. Paiba-iba ng singer kinakanta ko. May Celine Dion, may Adele. Hindi na alam ng boses ko kung sino talaga. Kung paano siya mag-a-adjust. Kay Bruno Mars. May ballad, may pop. When we were old na, kasi Shonda na tayo, guys. Sige, next natin, All I Ask.
Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. You're like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment before I go? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you with this light in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and it was just like a movie. It was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears, 'cause nobody told me they'll be here. And I swear you moved overseas. That's what you said when you left me. You still look like a movie. You still sound like a song.
Thank you, Akali!
Me of when we were young. Let me photograph you with this light in case the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and made us restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song.
Thank you, Akali!
When we were young, when we were young, when we were young, when we were young. It's hard to win me back. Everything just takes me back to when you were there, to when you were there. And part of me keeps holding on, just in case it hasn't gone. I guess I'll still care. Do you still care? It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young.
Sabit, isa pa sa
Still care. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song.
Perfectionist.
My God, this reminds me of when we were young.
Sabit talaga.
When we were young. Let me photograph you with.
Thank you, MNP! Taray naman ng crown. May nilagay ba akong ganyang gift? Hindi, trip nyo lang. Okay, trip nyo lang pala.
Getting old is restless. All
Feeling ko may contest ako, guys. Feeling ko kung ma-contest ako. Anyways, thank you, Akali. Sana nagustuhan mo yung request. Thank you, thank you. Uy, number 3 natin si John Jomari. Thank you, guys. MNP! Ba't ngayon ka lang? Oh, wait lang. Ano yung gusto ni All I Ask? Okay. Oh, let's go. Sino may request na ito? Si Sana magustuhan nyo, guys. I will leave my heart at the door. JD siya. Say a word. JD siya kakakaw. We've all been said before, you know, so I don't wait. Just play pretend like we're not scared of what is coming next. We're scared of having nothing left. Look down, let me wanna know there is no tomorrow. All I ask is if this is my last night with you. I'll be like more than just a friend. Give me a memory I can use. Think you that take me by the hand, way to what love us do, and that's how this ends. Hoy! Anong bulag? Jean! Sige, kakantayin ko pero duet tayo. Ikaw sa Ikaw sa melody. Madali. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, thank you, Akali! Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Bulag Pipi at Bingi yung kinanta namin sa audition namin sa Pilipinas Got Talent dati. Hello! Happy 10 years! 10 years na bala tayo? 10 years na ba yun? Ano, 10 na ba yun? 2014 na yun, tama. Ayan, guys. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Sumali po kaming PGT dati, 10 years ago. 10 years ago, kinanta namin yung Bulag Pipi at Bingi. Ay, parang ng pipi. parang parang mali yan, mali. Happy 10 years, sweet cheeks. Your honesty, it's already in your eyes. And I'm sure my eyes, they speak for me. Thank you, Rishi. Uy, ba't naging number 2 si MNP? Anong sinan ni MNP? Ba't naging number 2 siya? Thank you. Naghihilamos ako bago matulog. Look down, can be... Wait lang, hindi ko na nakanta ng maayos. There is no tomorrow. All I ask is this is my last night with you. Hold me like I'm more than just a friend. Give me a memory I can. Oy, hindi kaya ako nagpausap noon. Yung script kaya ng script ng TNT. Kunyari daw may nakita daw akong ipis, kaya daw napawisan ako. Nakakita ng ipis. Wait, kainis. Ayun guys, so sa mga gustong magkakaibig na magkaroon ng whistle, kailangan may ipis o daga lang kayong makita. Para mapasigaw na kayo guys. Wait lang. Tsaka yung yung video ko na hindi naghihilamos, nakakainis. Hindi ako naghihilamos, hindi ako natutulog na hindi naghihilamos. Kala mo naman, feeling naman na feeling naman glass skin si ate mo, girl. Ayaw ka na, nakakahiya talaga. Huwag yung papanoorin nyo na. Past is past, guys. Okay? Move on na tayo. Tapos, hindi ko na natapos, magagalit na yung nag-request. Okay.
Ay, Jean, send ka naman ng ng heart. Itap mo yan. Para may ambag ka sa live ko. Let this be your last shot in love. Ayan, nag-like na. We remember. Uy, thank you, Jean Palayo. Napakayaman mo na lang, ha. Manis. Ay, kaya mo din ba magbigay ng ng fireworks? Tingnan mo kung magkano. Tingnan mo magkano yung fireworks. My last night with you. How bila... Ay, Pasko na. Charot. Nangamasko na ako. Wala na, hindi ko na natapos. Can you take me by the hand while we do what lovers do? And that is how this ends. Because what if I never love again? Yun. Ano meaning ng 1088, guys? Ay, ano pala yung meaning ng 8080? Wala, ang dami ko lang nakikita sa Twitter, saka sa TikTok. 8080, ano meaning nun? In love.
Wait lang guys, nag-chat yung nanay ko. Patulogin ko na daw si Ro. Kanina pa siya nag-comment.
Bad word. Ah, bad word ba yun? Ano yung 8080? Paano naging bad word? 80-80? Tao? Ha? Hindi ko talaga gets. 1,088 price ng fireworks. Ah, ayun pala. Oh, ayan na. Jean P. Kaya mo na yan. Yung 8. Abo! Ah, okay. Kasi dati may nakikita ko sa ML, ang nakalagay, BCBC. BCBC. Ayun, nakakala ko, yun yung meaning ng Bobs. Anong Bobs? BCBC. Di ba gano'n kasi bawal, nagiging asterisk pag yung mga nagtatrash to ka sa ML. Di ba? So, magkapareho ng meaning yung BCBC saka yung 8080. Kulit Kainis kayo Dami niyong alam Okay. Kumanta pa tayo. Meron pa tayong 10 minutes, guys. Malay niyo sa 10 minutes, may maglapag na si Jean ng fireworks. Sa kanyang ano ba to? Sige, magpipin tayo. Magpin tayo ng... paano ba? Edit. Magpin tayo ng... Nasaan na yun? Iba-iba naman. Wag yung firework. Asan na yung lang, yung... 1,099 yung fireworks, guys. Eto, Chasing the Dragon. Ano yan? Chasing the Dream. Ano yung Chasing the Dream? Ang cute naman niya. Nakita nyo yung Chasing the Dream? Ano yung Chasing the Dream? Ano daw? Tigas. Okay, kumanta pa tayo. Baka hanggang mga 10:45 kasi late din ako nag-start. Parang 8:45. 10:45 or 10:40. Depende. Yan. Ano daw? Oo nga, late ka nga Eto, All or Nothing. Kata naman tayo ng chill. It's been on your mind. The distant look is in your eyes. Every time you realize it's over. is not the way I choose to live.
Tattooed Heart, kantay natin. Mamimili lang ako ng kanta, guys. Ariana Grande tayo, go. Game. Aning Without You.
You don't need a lot of money,
Alam nyo to, guys?
and you don't have to play no games. All I need is all your loving to get the blood rushing through my veins. I wanna say we're going steady, ooh, like it's 1954.
Thank you, Maris. Hindi ko si Maris na ano, charot.
To be forever, just as long as I the night on the time to So just call me if you want me, 'cause you got me, and I'll show you how much I wanna be on your tattoo. Just as long as the night on your tattooed heart,
Ang dami. Alam niyo, feeling ko, nagtataka na kayo, guys. Ba't parang every hour, every 30 minutes may dumadaan sa hagdan namin? No. No. Nagtataka na ba kayo, guys? Parang every every hour, no? Every 30 minutes, iba-ibang tao yung dumaan. Actually, ano to, guys? Paupahan talaga to. Ano namin to, guys? Airbnb. Charot. Thank you, Akali! Thank you, Akali. Ayan. Uy, number 50 tayo sa league. Computer shop talaga to, guys. Yeah. Ayan, huwag na tayo kumanta. Ang sakit na ng kalalamunan ko eh. Sa common area pala. Totoo! Oo, ito nga po yun. Parang kulang na yung black pa ba yung buko, guys? Kulayan ko pa ba ng itim? Charot. Feeling. Let's go, guys.
I didn't think you would understand me.
Wag na yan. Masyadong sinasabi.
How could you ever even try?
Ano yung sabi ko? Anong wag na?
I don't wanna tiptoe, but I don't wanna hide, but I don't wanna feel these monsters bite.
Yeah, malapit na ako mag-end, guys. Yes, malapit na, guys. Hanggang before 11 lang tayo, guys. Hair color ata. Kasi minsan, ako kasi hindi ko kaya nang di naliligo yung araw-araw yung buhok. Kasi parang ang kati, tapos ang kati sa anit. Parang ang baho sa anit. Kaya, di ba nag-black ma ako? Pag nagliligo ako, feeling ko nawawala yung pagka-black. Pero hindi naman pala. Bye po. Wala, MNP, ba't ka kasi late? Sino na namang live ang pinanood mo? Yes po, antok na. Uy, you can go ahead, Red. Magpapaalam na ako, 2 minutes. Hanggang 10:40 lang tayo, guys. Ayan, so magkwentuhan na lang tayo. Oo, kasi may mga work pa kayo. Anyways, try ko naman magla-live tomorrow. Kung makakapag-live ako. Try ko. Pag hindi, Sunday. Ha, try ko. Pag hindi ako nakapag-live ng tomorrow, pwedeng Sunday. Tapos kahit mga hapon, ganyan. Para nasa bahay lang kayo, ganyan. Family, ano lang habang nanonood kayo. Kasi for sure, pag Saturday may mga lakad kayo. Pero pwede rin Saturday. Pero feeling ko Friday and Sunday. Baka may lakad ako ng Saturday. Ayan, live and live review. Try natin, pag nakabili ako ng Tiger Wings, pag nagka-budget tayo, bibili tayo niyan, tapos iti-TikTok vlog natin. Kasi mayroon naman akong ano yan, tawag doon, yung, ano nga ulit yun? Yung mic na binili niyo sa akin na maliit. Nakalimutan ko na duet cover. Ay, hindi, napanood ko po. Ang galing niya po. Yes, I like it. I love it. Sana continue doing it. O, diba? Nire-repost ko yan. Nag-gym ka pa rin ba? Yes, kahapon nag-gym ako. Ngayon hindi. Dapat kasi thrice a week. O kaya 4 times a week. Pero minsan twice lang. Ganyan. Thank you, Natsu. Anyways, I just wanna thank everybody who watch my live. Magpapaalam na ako kasi marami ng antok sa inyo. Bawi na lang ako ulit tomorrow. Saka late na rin. Baka magpatulog pa ako. Ayan, maraming salamat to everyone who watched my live at nagsend ng mga gifts. Thank you po. And yeah, I'll come back Friday or Sunday. Try natin, guys. Thank you. Sino pong mga ko? Matulog na kayo, guys. Maaga pa kayo nagising. Thank you, Red. Aking number 1, MNP. Lahat-lahat. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Sana napasaya ko kayo and nalalabay ko kayo at napanood nyo yung pag-iinggit ko sa inyo ng mangga. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nanood. Sana naging kalma ang iyong puso. Char. At naging masaya. And thank you everybody. MNP, bawi ko next time. Nood ka maaga, okay? I'll see you. Love you guys. Thank you. Pasabi rin sa mga nanonood na hindi nakapag-comment. Thank you guys. Love you. Good night. Okay? Thank you guys. Thank you, Jan, Jamari, MNP Red, everyone. Post daw, post. Wait lang. Ang laki naman ng panga. Okay. Thank you everyone.